Hi, kindergarten friends. This is our second math lesson today, and this one is lesson 3, use the minus symbol. So if you look here, what I'm circling, that's the minus symbol right there, right? Okay, so use the minus symbol. You know that when you use the minus sign, it's used when separating parts from a whole. So it's take away, right? Just like our YouTube videos that we watch on Go Noodle sometimes. There's the one with the song about addition and subtraction. And it says add means put together, subtract means take away. So that right there, that little symbol, that little line right here, that's the subtraction symbol. And it means take away. Okay, so we're going to go through. And let's start with the front page. Gotta wait for it sometimes. For the front page of your packet, on the front page of your packet, you'll see a field. And it's a green field, and there's some trees and some clouds that you will see. It's taking longer than I thought it would. I might check down here and make sure we have an internet connection. Let's see. Yep, it's connected. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not working. Maybe I have to go back and try again. Okay, let's try this. We'll go to there. Yep, now it works. Okay, so this is our front page, our first page. Explore and explain. There's going to be a math story. So we're going to use the red circles for this subtraction story. So the subtraction story says 6 children are playing. So let's do 6 children. 1, 2, you can count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6 children. Okay. Now, I'm going to write the number 6 right here because there's 6 children. And I'm going to trace over the minus sign. That's what you'll do too. Okay. Now, 4 children have to go home. All right. Draw an X on the counters that were taken away. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 went home. Now, how many counters are left? How many children are left? Count them up. 1, 2. So write the number that tells how many are left. 6 minus 4 is 2. So our answer is 2. Now, when we turn the page, on the inside, here's our See and Show page. So our See and Show page has a story. And up here in the corner, I'm going to show you this. I'm even going to put it in a different color. Okay, how about in a nice bright color? Right here. This is the minus sign, and those are the words, minus sign. Okay, minus sign. So remember where the minus sign is. It's in the middle there. So let's see. What does it say? Count and write the number of animals. So there are some birds. Then trace the minus sign. Draw an X on the animals that are going away. Write the number that tells how many animals are going away. Write the number that tells how many animals are left. Okay, so let's do this together. I'm going to change this to back to a different color, maybe a blue. Okay, so first thing it says is count and write the number of animals. So we're going to count the birds. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds. So I'm going to write the 5 here, down, around, and give it a hat. I'm tracing over that one. Then trace the minus sign straight across. Draw an X on the animals that are going away. Looks like these two are, this one's flying away and this one's flying away. How many are going away? 1, 2. Write the number that tells how many animals are going away. 2. Write the number that tells how many are left. So we see how many are left here. 1, 2, 3. And if we read this subtraction sentence, it says 5 minus 2 is 3. That's the answer, 3. Okay, now, when you're finished with that, you go on and you'll do on my own, right? And on my own. And you should know how to do on my own by now because you have been practicing them. You'd practiced it with the see and show. So now when you do on my own, you can probably know without even hearing the subtraction sentence what is happening in this problem. So there's some frogs, and some of the frogs are jumping away. So the first thing we need to do is we need to count up all the frogs, So count all the frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frogs. That's all the frogs. Minus, right? How many are jumping away? 1, 2. 2 are jumping away. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that's what you're going to do on the On My Own page. And then after you finish the On My Own page, you're going to go to the back. So the page on the back, problem solving. We're going to do some problem solving on the back here. So let's read the directions for what it says to do on the back. Problem solving. Okay, now it says to use counters. Now, if you don't have counters, you can use anything that you have to create and model a subtraction story. Okay, I'm going to use these little circles because they are what's here, but you can use anything else to model a subtraction story. Okay, so here we go. It says, trace the counters. Now, you don't have to trace the counters, right? Because you don't have the counters today. You have what you have at home. So you might just have to draw something that you used or draw a square or an X or something. Trace the counters, write the number, trace the minus sign. Okay, so we're going to make up our own subtraction story. So here, I'm going to use this. 4 dogs were playing at the dog park. Minus, right? I'm tracing over the minus sign. 3 of the dogs' owners said they had to go home. 1, 2, 3. I'm Xing them out because they're leaving. 3. How many are left? 1. 1 dog is left at the dog park. So our subtraction sentence says 4 minus 3 is 1. Now, you can make up your own subtraction story. You don't need to make a subtraction story like mine. You can if you want to, but you can also make up your own subtraction story and put it on the last page of your math packet. Okay? All right, everybody. Let's get started with the second lesson of math today. Bye.